Galaxy S25 Ultra 5G, One UI 7 Final Demo and Interactive Wallpaper Showcase. Tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the wallpaper and style at the bottom left corner. Tap the change wallpapers. In the feature section, you can see the interactive wallpaper option. Tap on it. Here you can see how it looks interactive wallpaper on a Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung S25 series. Now at the bottom you can find the variation option. Tap on it. Here you can see the list of different wallpaper variation, interactive wallpaper variation. You can see how it looks. You can see the 5 different interactive wallpapers on a Samsung S25 Ultra. In the list you can see latest One UI 7 running the Android 15. So open the app drawer, tap the settings, scroll down up to about phone, tap the about phone. Here you can see the model name Galaxy S25 Ultra, software information. Here you can see One UI version 7, Android version 15 on a Samsung device. Also you can quickly access Now Brief or Now Bar weather info. Tap on Now Brief to see the morning information or any other setting. Tap on it or tap on setting gear icon. Content to include. Here you can enable or disable this option on Now Brief. You can see weather info also. Make sure turn on location to show the weather information. You can see all detail here. And the last one you can see tips and tricks on your One UI 7. Go to settings, scroll down up to tips and user guide. Here you can see different Galaxy AI what's new in One UI 7. Tap on arrow button. You can see customize your app and widget style, make folder big, stay on top important tasks with now bar, group your alarm. You can see the different new One UI 7 feature on a Samsung S25 Ultra.